In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Escape the Backrooms on Oculus Quest 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Escape the Backrooms actually has an official VR mode. However, it was disabled by the developers because of poor support and because of all the bugs it had. But you can still access this VR mode, including how to access it on your Oculus Quest 2. So first, what you have to do is make sure that the Oculus Quest 2 is connected to your PC. You can use AirLink, which is essentially a wireless connection method. However, this can introduce latency, so I wouldn't recommend it as the primary way to connect it. And if you have a link cable, you can then use Quest Link, which is the preferred way to do it. Quest Link using the link cable allows you to connect your VR headset, so your Oculus Quest 2, to your PC, and then you can play any games that you wish in VR. As long as they are running on your PC and you connect the VR headset to the PC running those games, you will be able to play the game on the headset. Now, after you set this up, which I won't be able to demonstrate in full in this video because it can be quite lengthy, just do your own research and set it up. And after it is connected to your PC, what you have to do is go into your Steam library and find the game. I'm going to be demonstrating this with Lethal Company because I don't have Escape the Backrooms on this Steam account at the moment. You will right-click Escape the Backrooms, go into Manage, and then Browse Local Files. Again, I'm demonstrating this with Lethal Company, but you will be doing the same process with Escape the Backrooms instead. Once you click on Browse Local Files for Escape the Backrooms, you will be taken into the folder where the game is installed, so Escape the Backrooms on Steam. Now, you will find the executable needed for the game to function, and what you have to do is launch the game through the executable instead of Steam. So instead of going over to your library and launching it there, just run this executable file. And now, if the Oculus Quest 2 was connected to your PC and that is currently being used, it will boot up in VR. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Escape the Backrooms on Oculus Quest 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.